All right, time to make a nice coconut milk smoothie with some date syrup coffee. What do we have here? First, thick pressing milk, creamy taste, no added sugars. Sounds good. Let's pour some. That's really creamy. Let me just read the ingredient list. Alright, ingredients: coconut milk 55%, stabilizers 415, water, coconut cream concentrate, emulsifier, stabilizers 471, 435, 466, preservative 223, emulsifier, stabilizers 640. Oh, is this coconut milk or is this some coconut milk with the main ingredients as 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3? I think I better make my own coconut milk. This is more preservatives and stabilizers than anything else. Thank goodness I didn't drink it yet.